Okay, I have put in one of these 6 years old reball in the loader. They have been used in a reball facility in Sweden. So let's see. You cannot force this. It's too bad reball. No. I must do like this. No. Okay, there. Then we see how SmartGuide handles this reball instead. Okay, and I put in the SmartGuide instead, and we will put in the same reball and see if we can make it jam. Yeah, there it jams some. And we can see that the SmartGuide by automatic system unjam the reball and clear the jam, and there is no electronic needed. So it works great for halos.